What are we making today? Tortang talong.
350.
You have to put holes in it. Here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we break our eggs. Oh, wow. Okay, let's put these in the oven. Whoop. Just toss them in there. Yes, beat your eggs. Put a little bit of soy sauce. Oh. Black pepper. We took the eggplant out of the oven. So hot. Now you have to peel the skin off. Okay. Then press the eggplant out with a fork, but be gentle. We're gonna eat that. And then dip the eggplant in the eggs. Okay, it's done. We're eating it with rice and some tomatoes with salt. If you know, you know. Let's see if you like it. You like it? Hot. Thank you, baby. Okay, we're done here.